This is the little drone I was using. Right here. And it's a pretty sweet little drone. There's the camera right there on the front. So that was the little drone I was using. I actually just got this right there. It's this box right there. So anyway, I just thought I would have a little bit of fun with that, and Jaden came out in the middle and I ran into him. So sorry about that. I actually sat on this couch the whole time, right here, and just stared into the headset, because you put your phone, which I'm currently using to record myself, into the front of this headset, like this. It just sits right there. And once you do that, then you can download this app and you can see what the drone sees through its little camera. So you can fly first person and stuff, which I think is pretty cool. This is going to be a really short video, but oh well. It's just a fun little video that I wanted to record. I will definitely use the drone for more videos later, so